My name's Corey Davidson. I was nominated for Peterman Cares, and I was shocked when I got the phone call. I didn't know what to say, and I didn't believe it at first. And then I got the follow-up call, and when they set the appointment up, I was like, oh my gosh, this is real. I'm getting a new water heater right now. They came in and assessed my water heater situation, which has just kind of been back and forth. And I have a family of 6 living in this home, and not having adequate hot water can be irritating. And so I think this might do the trick. My mom nominated me, and I didn't know it till after the phone call, and I called my mom immediately and was like, hey, I was like, I think I just won something and I don't know. And she was like, what is it? And I explained to her, and she told me she nominated me. She was scrolling on Facebook and saw a sponsored ad for the Peterman Cares, and just clicked on it. She said that she knew that me and my wife were going through some hard times. We'd lost our son at birth in January, and it was about the time she nominated us, was right after that. And we were in the middle of a home remodel. It means a lot. I mean, with the way our year started off, on January 6th is when we went to the hospital, and my wife had an emergency C-section, and everything turned out the way it did. Shortly after that, in February, we had a daughter break her shoulder. She fell off a trampoline, and it's not been a good start to the year. And I think that's why we just didn't move on with our remodel. We didn't finish it. It's almost done, but we just stopped. We lost all motivation, and receiving this just kind of motivated me to get back on the path and finish what I started and turn this year around. That was my biggest thing, was trying to find something to motivate me to turn the year around, because we control everything that happens around us. And I just didn't take the wheel, after the year started the way it did. I just kind of sat back like, why? So it means a lot, and I just don't know how to put it into words, how appreciative I am. If you know somebody that's going through a struggle or a hardship, even if it's just temporary, you can, and they need something done, because from what I understand, this also applies to furnaces and hot water heaters. So I mean, this can change somebody's trajectory completely. I mean, it can pick them up. Everybody falls down and everybody has bad times. So if you know somebody that needs help and needs a boost, I mean, I've never heard of a company doing this before. So this is definitely a huge surprise, and it could change somebody's life.